everyone, welcome to our volcano making journey. I am Dwayne Gaga, your reporter for today. And today, I will discuss to you our volcano, how we made it and how it erupted. Come and join me to learn and enjoy volcanoes. But first, what is volcano?
A volcano is an opening in a planet or moon crust through which molten rock, hot gases, and other materials erupt. Volcanoes often form a hill or mountain as layers of rock and ash build up from repeated eruptions. Volcanoes are classified as active, dormant, and extinct.
Why volcanoes erupt? Volcanoes erupt when molten rock called magma rises to the surface. Magma is formed when the Earth's mantle melts. Melting may happen where tectonic plates are pulling apart or where one plate is pushed down under another. Magma is lighter than rock, so rises towards the Earth's surface.
Here are some examples of the volcanoes that erupting yearly in the Philippines. First is the Taal volcano that erupted last March 2022. This is the area where Philippines' Taal volcano erupted on January 12, 2020. Most of the residents had their homes covered in ash and lost their jobs. Former residents are barred from returning due to risk. Second is the Mayon volcano. Mayon volcano was last erupted in 2014 and 2018. An eruption of Mayon in 1993 caused 79 deaths and thousands of people in nearby villages are forced to evacuate due to danger. And lastly, the Mount Bulusan that was just erupted last June 12, 2022. June 5, when a periodic eruption at Mount Bulusan produced a gray steam-rich foam somewhat visible through weather and cloud cover.
Now that you know what is volcano and its characteristics, here's the experiment we've done. Come and join us in watching the video.
This is how we make our volcano. The materials we use is plastic bottles, illustration board, recycled paper, scissors, tape, baking soda, vinegar, clear paint, food coloring, and dishwashing liquid. Here are the procedure we did. Step 1. Place the plastic bottle on the center of the illustration board. Make sure you place the plastic bottle in the center to have even sides. Step 2. Crumple the paper into ball shape, then place it around the plastic bottle. The paper ball will be the base of the volcano. Step 3. Using masking tape, make a frame. Put some tape around the plastic bottle to add support so it doesn't collapse. Step 4. Soak paper into the water with gao-gao powder. You can add glue for more support, then cover the plastic bottle with the paper. Glue will help the volcano to become more solid and stable. And lastly, step 5. Let the paper dry, then you can put the clay on it or paint it. You need to dry the paper so that the clay or paint will stick on the paper.
And now, we're in the exciting part. You will witness how our volcano erupts and how did we make it erupt. Lou is here to teach us the step-by-step tutorial in erupting a volcano. Are you ready? If yes, come and join us and watch the video.
Step 1. Put 100 ml baking soda in the volcano using funnel. Step 2. Add the dishwashing liquid and food coloring. And lastly, step 3. Put the vinegar and watch the eruption.
Then the eruption shown by our volcano is Rambulan eruptions, because as you will see in the video, it has moderately eruptions.
This is the volcano made by Group 5.
Vinegar and baking soda react. Vinegar and baking soda react due to an acid-base interaction known as neutralization reaction. Baking soda is a basic chemical, while vinegar includes acetic acid. As the acid and base combine, they react to generate water, carbon dioxide gas, and a sort of salt. The carbon dioxide gas is responsible for the fizzling and bubbling that is often observed when vinegar and baking soda are combined. This reaction can be used in various applications, such as cleaning and cooking, due to its ability and to effectively clean surfaces.